Finding an area, so we need to know what it looks like. So let's draw a graph. Shade it in so that it stands out when it gets it put inside of the rectangle. Now, in this situation here, we want to try to limit our shapes to triangles and rectangles if we can. So I've got kind of a weird, let me actually highlight this so you can see what I'm talking about. I've got this yellow shape over here that's kind of odd. It's not a rectangle or a triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a couple more lines like that. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and then I have that fifth shape right there, which if I zoom in, you should be able to see that that's a rectangle. So I'm going to have to take away 4 triangles and a rectangle this time. Got a little bit extra work to do, but it's still the same process. So let's get all of our dimensions here. Remove that R. Be careful with the dimensions here and make sure that you have the right dimensions on these shapes. Let me highlight everything. I'm actually missing one here. So those are the 2 green dimensions go with triangle 4. The 2 blue dimensions go with the rectangle. The 2 yellow dimensions go with that triangle 3 there. So we got a little bit of extra calculations here with this one as compared to other ones in this OneNote file. So my rectangle is going to have an overall height of 8 and base of 7. So I'm looking at 56 for my overall. Triangle 1 has a height of 3 and a base of 3. So that's going to be 4.5. Triangle 2 has a height of 5 and a base of 7. So that one is 17.5. Triangle 3 has a base of 6 and height of 1, so that's going to have an area of 3. Triangle 4 has a base of 2 and a height of 3, so that's also going to have an area of 3. And that little rectangle, number 5, has a base of 1 and a height of 2. Make sure you just use base times height for that one because it is a rectangle. So when I do the area here of my shaded in region, I start out with 56, and then I take away all 5 of those pieces. And I'm looking at I believe it's 30. Let's double check it with a calculator here. It is 30, so the overall area is going to be 26.